Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn and this is Linar Studios channel, and today's video about watercoloring a little bird. Watercolor technique is a little bit far from me because I was trying when I was a child, but it didn't go very well. Nowadays watercoloring is a very popular technique and I wanted to try out again because I love the colors and I love watching these videos about people making very beautiful landscapes and animals with watercolor technique. And the other reason I'm trying watercolor technique is because I'm very impatient, and I know that you can learn a lot of patience from it, because you have to wait until it dries before you put on the next layer, and everything is about timing. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and thank you for watching me, and let's get started. First, I sketched the body of the robin with a smaller and a bigger circle, and then I erased the pencil because I didn't want it to be visible under the painting. And then I used water to wet a little bit the area where I wanted it to be red, and then I used the reddish painting. I made a little mistake, so I had to use paper towel to correct it, and then I outlined the body with a little brownish grayish color. When you use watercolor, you have to think about layering, because you first have to use the lighter colors and then the darker, because you can build up a very complex picture using this method. Then I added more and more orange. While I was waiting for the drying process, I painted the leg and the eye and the beak. And later I added darker colors like this brown at the head. And I added a little more shadow to the body part and a little yellow to the face. Finally, I added the smallest details. As you can see, there is a red line on the paper, and that's because I wasn't patient enough to wait until the bird dries, and I smudged it with my fingers. So I didn't learn enough about the process, but I think next time I will be better. And then adding more and more details. Finally, I added a contour with a Stabilo felt pen. And that's the final result. I think it's so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next time I will bring you another bird watercoloring video. Bye!